A successful career in acting requires equal parts talent and practice with a bit of luck thrown in. Actors at work can be seen and heard everywhere: TV, the big screen, the theater, on the internet, in videos and on podcasts. They portray characters from the past that have impacted history, and they portray characters that are destined to impact pop culture in the future. Some dabble in a variety of entertainment mediums, while some stick to the stage, use their voice to create new worlds, or dedicate their lives to the silver screen. Some make up the cast of extras that round out a production, while some achieve levels of fame that make them a household name. This guide serves as a starting point for anyone seriously interested in the world of professional acting. It includes a brief description of a rundown of the skills one must develop to succeed in this highly competitive field, and a list of steps to consider in pursuit of an acting career. So, let's see what we need to consider if we want to become an actor. To put it very simply, an actor works to portray a character in a movie, play, television show, theater production, or any other variety of performance. But that's not all there is to this interesting job. Actors audition for roles and, if selected, perform those roles to bring the characters to life. Their work might be on a movie or television set, in a theater, during a live event, or any other place where performance is needed. They might work on any level of the profession, from being an extra in a larger cast to appearing in starring roles. Much of an actor's time is spent rehearsing their part, working with directors and producers, meeting with agents or casting directors, reading scripts, attending meetings, and otherwise attending to behind-the-scenes necessities. Some might spend grueling hours on set, while others might tour with a group to perform in many different cities. Some might move across the world to film on location. The work is often not steady. Many actors will perform scores of characters during their careers. Where actors happen to make the most money depends greatly upon their expertise, roles and geographical location. Areas where the performing arts are prominent typically offer higher pay than rural areas, or those far away from production facilities. Actors often take meandering roads to their ultimate career. Therefore, the steps to becoming an actor aren't as clear-cut as they might be for other professions. Here's what most will go through to reach the pinnacle of their profession. Jump into theater in high school. The path to acting careers can actually begin in high school plays and musicals. Drama classes can introduce students to performing, different methods, and schools of thought in acting, writing their own material, and different approaches to characters, along with stage and costume design. High school drama classes and productions allow students to develop their skills and experience what it feels like to perform in front of a large audience. They are also very important in preparing students for the inevitable countless auditions that await them once they venture into the world of professional acting, or head off to a college or university drama program. Get experience outside of school. Seek out small playhouses and theaters in the local area, and audition for various roles. Even if it's as one of the extras, it will be experience behind the curtain, which is what matters as acting skills continue to be honed. Get educated. Although a college education is certainly not mandatory to succeed as a professional actor or actress, some aspiring performers may benefit from a formal college or university drama degree program. Post-secondary drama programs can be found at almost every major public and private college in the United States, as well as at most community colleges. These classes will not only hone skills, but will help aspiring actors understand what happens behind the scenes, such as contracts and business dealings. Classes might include theater history, stage production, dance, music and the like. College productions may also provide aspiring professionals a chance to be seen by agents and producers who may be looking for promising new talent. Practice makes perfect. Continue going on auditions and working as much as possible in the acting world. Acting workshops and small theater companies keep performers in top form by providing an environment in which they can stretch their creative muscles and practice their craft. They also provide one of most effective networking opportunities available. Join a theater team, continue networking and be patient. It can take years to get the big break, but it is possible for some actors to receive a steady stream of work. Build up an acting resume. Act as much as possible, in as many roles as possible. Build up a resume filled with a variety of performances, including theater productions, commercials, working as an extra, music videos and anything else that gets attention. Hire an agent. When a bit of momentum starts to build, it's time to call in some help. An experienced agent can help actors succeed by offering a huge network of contacts, helping them avoid rookie mistakes and getting auditions that might not be available otherwise. Though not all actors will have an agent, those who want to work with the largest theater or movie companies will need to have one. Working as an actor isn't the only role up for grabs. Those who choose to pursue an acting degree can turn that hard-won education into any of these potential careers. An acting coach works with actors to help them bring characters to life. The acting coach is well versed in all areas of acting methods and techniques, and has the ability to convey them in such a way that the actors can use them on set. Acting coaches might work with performing arts schools or take on individual clients. Set designers work closely with producers and directors to create a set that is true to the time period and feel of the script. The work requires a strong knowledge of architectural trends, as well as the ability to build, paint and otherwise work with physically erecting set pieces. An actor plays a role in a variety of entertaining mediums, including theater, television, movies, live performance, radio and more. Their work is not only for entertainment, but often also for information or instruction. Many actors are quite versatile and can add singing, dancing, writing and even directing to their list of talents. Most directors work closely with everyone on set, especially actors and producers, to create a character arc that is true to the vision of the script. Directors might work in a variety of areas, including theater, television, movies and the like. Producers handle a great deal of behind-the-scenes work, including issues with casting or extras, financial flow for the production, design and sound on the set, and other creative decisions. Producers are usually weighing the needs of the production against the budget set to finance that production. This is the guidance for you to become an actor. In the path of being an actor, there are many opportunities to get. For example, you can become a director, set designer, or producer. So, we think you got this video helpful. If you got knowledge from this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.